Alright guys, so this is Reptar, the Savannah monitor. I am going to feed him some frozen thawed rat pups. There you go, buddy. You gonna eat them? Yeah. You can see how great of an eater he is. He loves to eat. Okay, you're gonna take those out yourself, or you're gonna let me feed you again? You want me to feed him by my hand, don't you? But I'm not sticking my hand right near this hungry jaws. My snake stick. Okay, my snake stick. Oh, there you go. Got him. He eats them so fast. If I put mice in there, he hardly kills them before he has them down. This guy was a rescue. This guy broke up with his girlfriend and skipped town, left his Savannah monitor. She didn't know how to feed it. Took me a couple of months to start getting it to eat good. You can see now it's just munching those suckers down. So anyways, there's Reptar. Calm down. Calm down. See how big he is compared to my hand. He gets all antsy and all aggressive sometimes. Oh, you can see Shelly out there in the backyard chilling, eating some grass and some weeds. But anyway, so there's Reptar. Alright. Chill here and relax. But there's a setup, by the way. Savannah monitors don't usually like water, but Reptar loves hanging out in his water. But I took his hide out. I need to put it back in. Anyways, there's Reptar. Later.